In this video, we'll see the recipe of no bake, no cook, no fry instant Dahi Vada. We'll start by preparing some no cook and easy quick tamarind chutney or tamarind sauce. So take 2 tablespoons tamarind and 1 tablespoon gur or jaggery. Add half cup water, preferably warm or hot, and let this soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's take 400 gram curd. The curd should be cold. Add half cup sugar. Using a whisk or a normal spoon, you need to beat this until the sugar is dissolved and the curd becomes smooth and silky. You can see the curd has become very nice and smooth. So here comes the hero of our recipe, Jeera Butter. We need 9 to 10 of Jeera Butter. These are very easily available in any grocery shop. Soak these in some water till these are submerged fully, and then keep these submerged for 2 minutes, not more than that. After 2 minutes, drain the excess water and then keep the butter in the remaining water for another 1 minute, not more than that. So just 1 more minute. After a minute, we are going to squeeze excess water out of the butter. You need to be very gentle while doing this. It's okay if some of the water remains inside the butter. Don't squeeze a lot, otherwise you'll end up with just mess. So be gentle and don't worry, these do not look that great right now, but later when these absorb the curd, these swell up and look beautiful. So all the butters are ready. I'll break one open and show you. It looks very nice and soft from the inside. So I'm going to now keep these butter aside. Our tamarind has been soaking for 15 minutes. You need to mash the tamarind like this and then remove all the fibrous part. So this is a no-cook chutney. We are not going to make Imli chutney the way we normally do, but this tastes awesome, instant, quick, and goes very well with the Dahi Vada. Now to this add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. This chilli powder will give it a very nice color, and 1/4 teaspoon black salt. So this instant Imli sauce or chutney is ready. Now let's assemble everything. So take a dish or a normal small plate or whatever you want to serve the vadas in. Place the vada. So I'm going to place all the vada, 9 butter vadas. Pour curd, the sweetened curd which we had prepared. Sprinkle some red chilli powder as per your taste. Black salt, roasted cumin powder or bhuna jeera powder as per your taste, some chaat masala, prepared imli or tamarind chutney, finely chopped green chillies, this is optional, and finally some chopped fresh coriander. Our easy peasy no cook Dahi Vada is ready. It's instant, it absorbs all the curd and the vadas become nice, spongy and fluffy. Just awesome. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.